Hi friends, in this video series we are going to learn about the string manipulation in Java, as well as we are going to focus on the some topics as I have mentioned here. You can see here string builder and string broker. Basically in this video we are going to focus on the string. Okay, what is string in Java? In this video basically we are going to focus on that. Okay, first of all we are going to start the practical. Before that I will discuss some important point about the string. Okay, so how many ways to create a string object in the Java? Basically we are going to create a string object in Java. Basically two ways. Okay, first is using a string literal. Okay, and second one is using a new keyword. Okay, whenever you are going to create a string object using a string literal, okay, so then the object going to store in a SCP. Okay, SCP means string constant. Good, please remember that point. Please focus on that point. Okay. Next point is whenever you are going to create a string object using a new keyword or new operator, basically then the object going to store into heap memory. Okay, the object going to store into heap memory. Okay, you can see here I have mentioned it here. Okay okay then after that we are going to also learn about the difference between double equal to operator and equal method. Okay, please listen to me and focus on this point. Whenever we do the practical, then this point very important. Okay, so please focus on that. Okay, when difference between the double equal to operator and equal to method. Whenever we use the double equal to operator, it going to check if objects point to the same memory location or not. It going to check object going to store into the same location or not. Okay, basically double equal to operator use reference comparison. Okay, use reference comparison. And equals method basically going to check content of the object same or not. Okay, it going to check whatever content present in the object, it is same or not. Okay, there is this is the difference between uh, string and equals method. Please uh, focus on those points whenever we do the practical. These points very important. Okay, and one another important point is string class belong to the java.lang package. Okay, string belong to the java.lang package. Okay, simply go to the your browser and type your string in Java and API documentation. Okay, simply click on that and see here. Okay, this is not website. Okay, this is a API document. And see here, string class basically belong to the java.lang package. Okay, java.lang package. Okay, okay, okay. Let's start the practical. Okay, first of all I am going to create a string object. Okay, first of all I am going to create a string object using the string keyword. String sorry string s1, and in the double quote I am going to write sagar. Okay, close by the semicolon. Again also I am going to copy that statement and paste it over here and create some more object. Okay, create s2 is equal to Suraj and s3 equals to in double quote Sagar. Okay. Whenever I am going to create a string object using the string literal or string keyword, then first of all uh, check the already this these this contains available in the memory or not. Okay, suppose this contains is available already, then it is going to store into same memory location. Okay, this point is very important. I have already told you. Okay, we have already discussed about that. Uh, uh, Whenever we are going to create a string object, then this object are going to store into SCP memory using the whenever you want to going to create a string object using the string keyword, then this object going to store into SCP memory. Okay, when the content of this object is same. Okay, first object is same and second object also same, then these object uh, store in a same memory location. It is a reference of these object is same. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going to write here system.println statement. Okay, I will show you practically. Okay, and simply it's one double equal. I'm using a double equal to operator. S1 double equal to S2, sorry, S1 double equal to S2. Okay, I'm going to also copy that. Okay, S2 is equal to S3 and S1 is equal to S3. Okay, okay, okay. When I run that program, okay, then we will get the first result. We will get the uh, false, true. Okay, because I have already discussed about that. Okay, whenever we use the double equal to operator, it going to check the object store in the same memory location, or it going to point the same memory location or not. Okay, see here, S1 is a uh, different location and S2 is a different location because the content of the uh, both object is different. Okay, here is a Sagar, here is a Suraj. Okay, okay, but the content of the S1 and S3 is same and both object belong to the same memory location, so we will get the truth statement. Okay, double equal to operator not going to check the content inside the object. It is basically check the object store in the same memory location or not. Okay, we are also we will discuss details further. Okay, so first of all this point you remember that. Okay, false, we will get false here. Basically false, false, okay, true. Okay, then I will run that program. Okay, okay, you can see here. Okay, false, true. Okay, okay, okay. Then I'm going to create you string object using a new keyword. Okay, see here, string s4 equal to new new in double quote I mention here Sagar. Okay, copy that, paste this over here, and here Suraj, and object name is 5. Okay, simply copy that above statement system.out.println and simply paste this over here. Okay, one more time. Okay, and simply I'm going to use s1 is equal to s4. and s2 is equal to s s5. Okay, okay, listen to carefully. Okay, listen to carefully. Okay, see here. Okay, the content of the s1 and s4 object is same, but we will get the false. Why? Because double equal to operator going to check the memory location. Okay, object memory location. Okay, it going to check reference comparison. Okay, it is not going to check the content. Okay, it is not going to compare the content inside that object. Okay, whatever content present in that object, it is not going to check. Okay, yeah, going to check it is similar or not. Okay, it is going to check the reference comparison, means where is the object store. If object is belong to the same memory location, it is going to we will get the result true, otherwise we will get the result false. Okay, so if we will get the false, then we will get the false both the object. Okay, I will run that program. See here. Okay, see first object is false. Here first string statement is false, second is false, third one is true, and fourth one is false, and fifth one is also false. You can see here, I have already told you, double equal to operator going to check the same, uh, going to check the reference comparison, but the equals method going to check the content. Okay, it going to compare the content between the two object and check content is same or not. If content is same, we get the true result, otherwise we get the false result. So we are going to do practically. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write the print statement here for the separator. Okay, and then I'm going to write here uh, inside the print ln statement method. Basically, I'm going to write here equals method. Okay, see here, see, dot equal, yes, for, okay, yes, 5. Okay, okay, when I will run that program, then we will get the true two. Okay, we will get the true, sorry, true. Okay, why we will get true? Equal to method basically check content inside that method. Okay, content is same, then we will get the true. Content is different, then we will get false. Okay, so I will write here another string object here. Okay, I am going to create another string object here, string 6 equal to new string, put it here inside, put in a double quote, okay, and save that, and then compare with the compare with the s4 s5 s6. Okay, see, then we will get the false because content inside the object is different. Okay, 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 then I run the program, then check the what we get the result. Okay, okay, you can see here what is the reason for second object is okay, sorry, we need to mention here s2 object. Okay, and check it. Okay, you can see here we can get the true and false. Okay, when we are using the equal method, then it is going to check the content of the inside object is same or not. And when you are going to use the double equal to operate, then it is going to check reference comparisons, means it is going to check object belong to the same memory location or not. And I have already told you, when you are going to create a string object using the string keyword, then first of all it is going to check the content already present or not. If content is already present there, then it is going to stored in the same memory location, means it is going to create a duplicate object. Okay, but when you are using to create a using a new operator, using a new keyword, uh, when you are going to create a string object using the new keyword, then it is going to not create a duplicate object. When it doesn't matter it is, because already content is available there or not, it is going to create a new object in a new memory location when you, yeah, when you are going to create object using a new keyword. Just please, this point is very important. This point asked in your interview, so please uh, understand that those point, focus on those point. Okay. Okay, I think this point clear. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubts, or you have any queries, so please mention in the comment. I will explain as soon as possible. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Okay, so bye friends. In the next video we are going to discuss on the how to create a different string object using char array, as well as means simply create a string object and put the char array object inside that. Also we use the byte array and put those object into string objects. So we, in the next video we are going to focus on the how to create a different object, how to create a different way to create a string object. Okay, so in this video also we focus on that, but some another point we have to discuss, we should to discuss, but we because the video going uh, too long, so we will discuss about in the next video. So please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Okay, bye friends.